We are starting off with setting up a server for your Ethereum nodes. So for this, we are going to use StereumPlus to quickly set up a server. The cool thing is with StereumPlus, your server doesn't need any extra network configuration. The hardware comes out of the box ready and is tailored to run Ethereum nodes, as it is used by RockLogic to run their Lido nodes with thousands of validator keys. If you should run into any problems, just join our Discord or open a ticket on our website. Our teams can guide you from beginning to end. So now that the process is complete, you'll get an email on the email you registered with all the infos about your newly purchased server, including your IP address. Alright, so now that we have our server, we can proceed to the Ethereum node setup itself. For this, you can download the Stereum launcher under the link below. It is open source and easy to set up. To begin setting up your server for crypto transactions with Stereum, start by logging into your server management system. Enter the server's IP address, username and password, then proceed to log in. Once logged in, choose one-click installation option. Pick an Ethereum testnet, then select the CSM node operator option. When setting up a node, try to alternate between different execution and consensus clients to optimize performance and network resilience. Here, keep the relay selection as it is, as these are the necessary relays mandated to run Lido CSM. Next step, set up the synchronization method for your node clients. Finally, you'll confirm the installation paths for each component you're setting up on your server. Click Continue, and while waiting for the installation to complete, let's move on to the next part. Open the Wagyu keygen application and initiate the creation of your secret recovery phrase. Here, securely record your secret recovery phrase. Re-enter it in the Wagyu keygen tool to verify its accuracy. Enter how many validator keys you'd like to create and set a strong password for them. Now for the withdrawal address, enter the withdrawal address of the Lido CSM smart contract. You can copy it directly from our use case guides, which I'll link down below. After clicking Browse, navigate to the folder where you want to save your validator key. Next step, visit the CSM Lido page. Begin by clicking the I am a node operator button. And here, connect your wallet to the platform. Choose the amount of ETH you wish to bond and upload the corresponding deposit data. Review the transaction details throughoutly, then click Confirm to finalize your bond. Finally, verify the status of the key deposited for you and copy the node operator ID. For the last steps, we will switch back to the Stereum launcher. Next step, navigate to the node page. Once you've opened the node configuration, you can view all three clients. Go into the settings of your validator client and make sure you have the right CSM designated fee recipient address. Now we can set up the validator ejector service correctly. Enter the settings and put in your operator ID from the Lido dashboard. Same thing for the CSM monitoring service. Click on the settings icon to open its configuration panel. Find the node operator ID field and paste it in. Don't forget to confirm and restart. Last step, navigate to the Staking tab. Here you can begin the process of inserting your validator key by clicking on the click or drag to insert key area. Select and import the validator key you have generated with the Wagyu generator. Approve the validator client you will use by selecting it, and enter the password that you set up during the key generation. When asked if you want to import with a slashing protection database, click No and continue. Once the key is imported, navigate to the Staking tab. You should see the validator key appear under the Node tab. For more information, navigate to the control page and open the drop-down menu. Select Lido CSM Operator to access the monitoring service dashboard. And that's about it. If you need more help, join our Discord channel. We will gladly guide you. Thank you for watching.